Good morning, guys. How is everybody? Hard to believe this is the second to last day of the school year. Interesting. Kind of ended differently, but it's all good, right? We've made it work. So today, oh, so I still have it on this one. So today is National May Ray Day. It is get outside and enjoy some rays of sunshine, is what it is. I had to look it up. So very cool. I hope the sun does come out today so that you can do this and find a good spot to just soak up some sun. It is also is it Devil's Food Cake Day? So it's like a chocolate cake. Enjoy that one. That one sounds delish. All right. So today is Tuesday, and it is May 19th. So it is Tuesday, May 19th, 2020. We have our parade today, so make sure you guys go and wave to all of us and check it out. It is supposed to be like almost identical to yesterday, kind of a little cloudy, a little cooler than normal. Hopefully we do get some sun, but it is supposed to be almost just like yesterday, that 50s and 60s still. All right, our current event, an online spelling bee. So, an online spelling bee is May 23rd through the 28th. Scripps National Spelling Bee was canceled. 2 teenagers still wanted a spelling bee. Students from across the U.S. usually compete. They compete by spelling hard words. Maybe. Oh, come on. Okay. This year, students will compete online. Students who correctly spell words stay. Students who do not correctly spell words leave. A webcam will record each student. One student will win $2,500. What? Might sound pretty interesting. So usually they do this and they're all in one location on a stage doing this national spelling bee. And this year we couldn't do it that way. So they are doing it online. So I'm kind of curious how that's going to work and interesting to see. We'll have to keep paying attention, see if they find a winner and how they do it with technology. All right, so for the choice sports, I did one of the personal skills choice sports, and I did this what questions, but there's a lot of really good ones that I was like, I should do that, should do that, should do that, and I'm running out of days. But so the what questions, what do you use to make your hair clean? To make my hair clean, I use shampoo. So, what do you use to wash dishes? Well, dishwasher. No, just kidding. I use Dawn dish soap to clean my dishes, but I just rinse them off and put them in the dishwasher and use the dishwasher detergent in there. What do you use to make yourself smell good? I use perfume and other good smelling lotion so that I smell so good. And I shower and stuff to try not to, maybe some deodorant, what do you use to make wrinkles go away in your clothes? To make wrinkles go away in your clothes, you use the iron. However, you can also just throw them in the dryer, right? Isn't that? But an iron. And then what do you use to wash your clothes in the washing machine? So you can't just throw them in there, right? And just let the water get them clean. It's kind of like shower. You got to use soap. So I use Gain detergent and to wash my clothes. I love Gain. I love my Gain products. Kind of funny, I know. I got a special attachment to them, but yeah. So those are the what questions. See if you guys can think of some different what questions, or when people ask you what questions, what you can come up with. All right, you guys. I hope to see everybody at the parade. Wave, 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 big smiles and everything. It'll be so much fun. But you guys have a great day. Bye, guys.